Have you ever told someone how to make tea? Like, step 1, boil water. Step 2, add tea leaves. Step 3, pour it into a cup. That's exactly what programming is. Telling a computer what to do step by step. But instead of tea, we're giving steps to a computer using code. Let's say you want to build a calculator on your phone. You write code that tells the computer, when I press 2 plus 2, show me 4. That's programming. Or imagine a traffic light. Someone had to program it. Red for 60 seconds, then green, then yellow. The light doesn't decide. The code behind it does. We use programming to build apps, websites, games, even ATMs. If it has a screen and does stuff, someone probably programmed it. And the cool thing, you don't have to be super smart or a math genius. It's just like learning a new language. But instead of talking to people, you're talking to machines. And guess what? Anyone can learn it. Even you. If this helped you understand programming, please subscribe for more simple tech tips.